This is a kind of an interesting one here, but Tesla is auctioning off over $4 million worth of new electric vehicle parts. Not sure who could this be for. Actually, no, I've got a good hunch of who this could be for. Shout out to Shannon for posting this. He was able to find this. Tesla's auctioning off over $4 million of brand new excess parts inventory this week. 56 auctions that will sell for pennies on the dollar. And this is a very interesting website. It's called bstock.com, where Tesla's listing all of these. And I was trying to take a peruse and take a look at it because there's a lot of interesting stuff. Now, they do give you like a hardware list of, and they show you like little, very minimal pictures of this. But you can see there is like door latch, front left hand, bracket, 12-volt dual battery. This is really for people that rebuild the Tesla vehicles or have like maybe Tesla repair shops, like first row seat belt retraction and other things like that. Very interesting to see this. And this one, of course, I want to click because like, does it have a light bar in there? That could be pretty cool, especially for a Cybertruck, but you have to log in to see the full list. But very interesting to see this, and a lot of these are ending very, very soon in the next day or so. So if you've got a repair shop, this is your PSAs for you to try and get a lot of different random parts to fix your Tesla vehicles out there. But let us know what your thoughts on it. Let us know what you're thinking. Now, if you're on the flip side, if you've got a used Tesla vehicle or you currently own one, you don't want to be without any sort of protection plan or warranty. That's where XCare's EV protection plan comes into play here. Whether you want battery or drive unit coverage, or even more with their premium coverage, use promo code Dennis to save a $200 off your plan. They actually told me that the average claim is actually over $1,000. So definitely check out XCare's EV protection plan if you want to be protected for your electric vehicle or Tesla vehicle. Now that you've bought your Tesla or you're about to buy your Tesla, did you know that it comes with 0 accessories? Seriously, not even a phone mount. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In my opinion, there's a few must-haves that every Tesla owner should get, like a phone mount so your phone doesn't fly off during acceleration, a center console organizer because without it, you're going to lose a bunch of stuff, and my newest favorite, an invisible underscreen station mount from Jowa, a great place to store sunglasses. And all of these accessories plus more you can get from our partner Jowa. And you know these accessories are good because I actually use all of their stuff. And if you use our promo code down below in the description, you can save some money and support the channel as well. But Jowa doesn't stop at just the basics. They've got a wireless game controller that fits perfectly in the glove box, a portable air compressor for peace of mind on those long road trips, and even an electric scooter, because why walk from the superchargers or level 2 chargers? So not only will you save some money by using our promo code down below in the description, you can also get free shipping on orders over $120. So definitely check it out, link down below in the description. Thank you to Jowa for partnering with us on this channel, and let's get on to the next topic.